Hello everyone, this is Raj here. Welcome to the world of Salesforce. Today is the day 19 class where we are going to discuss lightning email templates, right? So in the previous class, we have covered classic email templates. So in the classic email templates, we have covered the text email template, right? How to send the text email templates using static message and using the merge field concept. So that means dynamically how we are going to change the names and all these things. Okay, so let me go to the Salesforce. So today we are going to discuss, let me go here, go for the classic email templates, new template. So yesterday we have covered this text, right? Text type of email template. So today we are going to see the HTML using classic letterheads and the custom without classic letterheads we are going to cover. And along with this lightning email templates, we can see here. Okay, so what is here HTML email templates, HTML type of email templates. So using classic letterhead. So generally when you see any email from any businesses or any advertisement emails, so if the content is attractive, then only people can show interest in order to see the content of the email, right? So then only you can see the body. So what is written there. So if the email is attractive. So in the previous in this text type of email template, we have seen just it is a standard template, a normal plain email. So where some content has been written and sent to you. So it is not having any attractive images there, right? So in each and every organization is having a different specific formats. So generally they are going to send the emails in that specific formats by means of these letterheads. So let me go to any email here. See, this is the one of the email coming from the Salesforce. So they are also maintaining some type of a letterhead format. See, some header is there and some body is there. Okay, so perfect letterhead format. Let me show you here. See, okay, let me go. See here, this is also from the Salesforce developers at mail.salesforce.com. This is also from the Salesforce organization. So for this type of advertisements, they are using this letterhead. See here, some header is there. So every letterhead is having a three components. So a header component coming to this body, content body is there. Okay, coming to down. So footer format is there. So now we are going to prepare this letterhead format. Okay, so now I am going to, first of all, you need to prepare a letterhead format here in order to prepare the classic email templates using letterheads, HTML email templates using this letterheads. So generally we are having this letterhead formats in the Salesforce. So there you have to prepare a letterhead. So in order to prepare a letterhead, we need these components, header, body, and the footer. Okay, so first, what is the step one here? In order to prepare a HTML using letterhead, so we need to have a prepare a letterhead. So where the letterhead lies, let me go here inside the Salesforce. So if you go to this communication email templates, see communication templates, under this you are having classic letterheads, right? Click on this classic letterheads. So this is the format you should prepare. So header, body, and the footer. So click on next. See, you need to, as of now, there are no letterheads. You need to prepare a new letterhead. So in order to prepare a letterhead, you need to have this type of images, right? So this is the header image and this is the footer image, right? So I have stored, so I'm storing this image. Okay, I'm storing this image inside my Salesforce as a header image and like this image as a footer image. Okay, so let me go to my folder. So inside this folder, I have copied, see here, I have copied this particular image as my header and this image as my footer. And insert the content, the same image, the same email I am going to prepare. I am going to prepare a letterhead, insert content, and I am going to send to this advertising email to the users. Okay. Now how to prepare this? So go to this class letterheads, classic letterheads. Click on this new letterhead. See here available for use, and let's say this is a welcome letterhead. some advertisement letterhead, right? Let's say Salesforce advertisement letterhead. Salesforce advertisement letterhead. Okay. Click on save. See here. Some, if you want to edit any background, some background, is there any background color? No. Right? Some directly some letterhead is there. Header is there. Content is there, and some footer is there. So under this background color of this body, we are having some different color is there. Okay. Now go to here. So you don't want any background color. So simply make it as a white color. Click on OK. See, now white color is there. So the same looks like. Okay. Now background color is completed. Now header property. Select the logo. So header logo. See here, header logo. Okay. So if you want to make it as a center, left, top and right. So if you want to make any alignments, you can make. Okay, click on OK. Now come down. So edit body colors. If you want to edit body colors, some light blue color is there. So click on edit body colors. Some light blue color. Yes. Okay, click on OK. Right? Now come down. So now the footer logo. So I am going to edit footer logo. Sorry. Select the logo. So initially in the step one, we have to load the images inside the Salesforce. So these are the old images, right? So in the footer, I'm having some old image. So when I'm selecting the logo in the footer, see here some old image is there. Okay. So let me remove that old logo. Let me go to this downloads. So documents, go to these documents, click on this document. See here, header logo, footer logo, whatever the logos are there. So first, initially the step one is you need to download the images and you need to store those images inside the Salesforce. Okay. So header logo is correct. Okay. Go back, and footer logo is, I need to remove this footer logo. Delete this. Okay. Now I need to create a new one, footer logo. So externally available image, upload the file, this file, and click on save button. That's it. Okay. Now my footer logo is ready. See, with the address. Okay. So now go back to my setup, communication templates, classic letterheads. Click on next. So already the letterhead is there. Okay. Click on edit letterhead. So under this edit letterhead, so select the logo. So header logo is there. Edit the background color to the white color. So click on OK. Edit the body color to some light color. Okay. Click on OK. Now come down. Select the logo here. So footer logo. See. Right. So these are the header and the footer logos. Let me add the header logo, also the new logo, which will cover the full image. Let me open in a new tab and let me remove this logo from here. Go to this documents. Go to this documents. Header logo. Replace the document with, choose the file. Header logo. Replace it. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. See, header logo is ready. Now select the logo. See. Okay. So as of now, the image is edit header properties. So to the center, middle, click on OK, like this. Okay. So if you want to extend, so in the back end, you need to extend. So by default in the from the company, the images are the letterheads are created, right? So from the Photoshop or itself, the header, when the header logo and the footer logo, they will give, and we need to upload those images. That's it. Right? So we need to based on these pixels. So what is the height and what is the width, right? What is the length and what is the height I need to measure, and in the same header logo is also to be created. Right, as of now, I have just copied the images from the internet and I have loaded those images inside the Salesforce. And I used those images as a header logo and the footer logo. Okay, now my letterhead is ready. Click on save. See, this is my logo, header and the footer. Okay, so if you go here, this email, see header, body, footer. The same here also, header, body and the footer. Now inside this, the content should be there. Now go to my letterheads. Sorry, go to my email templates. Go to my classic email templates. Okay, click on a new template. Okay, HTML using letterhead. Click on next. Okay, email template name should be SF advertisement template. Okay, now classic letterhead. So already SF advertisement letterhead I have just now prepared. So use this. So email layout, a formal letter or free form letter, anything. So a free form letter. So description. So go to this email. What is the join now AI? The same subject I'm copying from here. Paste it in this subject. Okay, if you want to use any merge fields, yes, you can use merge fields as well. Okay, click on next. Merge field concept already we have covered in the previous class, right? So now click on next. See, this is my enter your content, enter your body here. So if you want to add any merge fields, if yes, you can add any merge fields. Okay. So let me go to this email. Just a few lines I'm pasting from here. Hi training. Go to this, paste it here. Okay. Instead of training, I will use the merge fields. Contact field, select first name. Select first name. Okay. Copy this and use it here. Okay. Select the first name, comma, last name as well. Last name. Copy this merge field and paste it here. This is the way we can use this merge fields. Right? So make it as a black color. Okay. So in the back and remove the any colors are there. If you want to add any insert images, yes, you can insert any images. If you want to insert any hyperlinks, yes, you can insert hyperlinks as well. So hyperlinks means let me go here. So if you see here, see where the so in if you click on this register, this is a hyperlink button. If you click on this, some login.salesforce.com, it will directly redirect to this website, right? The same website, the same I'm going to use this register now, right? So let me copy this. Come here, paste whatever the content body is there, you can paste it here. And now I'm making it as register now. Okay. And completely I need to make it as instead of this, what is the backend color? This one, right? Okay. So register for this register now, bold color. I am going to insert an link. So what is the link here? Copy this and paste the link here. Insert link, paste it here. Click on OK. Right? See, now enter. And the last body is there, Salesforce developer relations. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay. Make it as black, remove the background color to this one. Okay. Now click on preview and save it. Okay. Click on next. See here. If you want to make any text body, if you want to write any text body, you can write or else leave it. Now click on save. That's it. See, my my letterhead is ready. And inside this body is also ready. Okay. Send a test and verify the merge fields as well. So this is the merge fields, right? So let me add my contact here. So this email should send to me with my name. Send email preview to this one. Click on OK. That's it. Now go back. So let me refresh the screens. Go to see here. The same email ID, the same email. Join the AI Now Tour workshop in a city near you. This is from Salesforce. This is from my Salesforce, right? So if you click on the previous mail from the Salesforce, directly it is showing high training. That's it. So, but from my end, it will show, see here, see header, body, footer. The same looks like, it looks like the same, right? So AI Now Tour, hi Dhanraj. It will show directly my name, hi Dhanraj. The some body is there. Click on this register now. So click on this register now. So it will redirect to the same website. So whatever the website from the Salesforce they are sending, the same website. Okay, this is the website from the Salesforce. This is the website from my end. Okay, like this we are going to send. See, both the emails look like the same, right? But this is from the Dhanraj admin, and previously this come from the Salesforce. Both emails looks like the same. Okay, like this way we are going to send HTML email templates using letterheads. Okay, so the same without letterhead, that means without using these images, right? Without letterheads, how I am going to send this? So custom email templates without using letterheads. So I hope with the letterheads, I hope you understand all these things, right? So if you see this email, see using letterhead concept, header, body, and the footer. Inside this, we can use the hyperlinks as well. Okay, this is the merge fields. All concepts I have covered. Okay, let me go here quickly. Go to this email templates. Quickly create one. Right, one more email template, which is a custom email template without letterheads. So without letterheads, how to create the bold color, bold or making colors or the background colors, how to add the colors, how to make change the fonts, right? How we can use this. So I'm going to configure a new template here. So let me click on next, right? So here, let me add this. Welcome email something. Welcome, or you can say that new position, new position notification. Okay, so let me add here. So alert new contact or new contact notification. Let me say here new contact. Okay, new contact notification. Alert new contact, contact dot first name, contact dot last name, assignment notification here. Okay, so simply you can click on next. So up to here, right? So in this HTML body, if you write a normal message, let's say email content, I'm writing dear contact, whatever the name is there, dear contact dot first name, comma, contact dot last name, comma. If you are going to write any message, right? So we have new contact created inside Salesforce. Right? Here are the contact details. Here are the contact details. Okay. So contact first name. You can write first name. Okay. First name. First name is nothing but a contact dot first name. Copy this and paste it here. Last name. Okay. Last name you can paste it here. Copy this and paste it. Okay, like this you can write whatever the fields if you want, right? And at the end, thanks and regards some sales team. Okay, so if you write like this, click on next or go to preview. See here, Simply it will coming like a paragraph. Dear contacted first name, we have new contact like this. It is coming like a paragraph, right? If you click on next, if you can see here, see, you go to click on save button. See how the message looks like. It looks like a paragraph, but it should not be like this, right? So dear, some content should be there. So inside body should be there and some bold colors, some HTML links if you want. So all these things, how I need to add a HTML previews, right? So in order to use this, you need to understand a few tags here. So those are nothing but HTML tags. You need to understand HTML tags, right? So the basic tags are, the first one is the basic tags are break tag, break tag. So if you want to provide any space, right, you can use like this. If you want to provide any space, you can use like this, br slash, right? If you want to make any letters as a bold, so it is known as a bold tag. So for this bold tag, you can use like this, right? Like example syntax for the bold tag should be like this, b, welcome to email templates, welcome. Okay, like this you can use closing tag, open tag and the close tag. Right? And the next, if you want to make the letters as a italic tag, right? I. So if you want to make any underlines, underline tag, underlines, if you want to use U, right? U. Right? If you want to apply any font names, font colors, font size, so you can use a font tag. So you can use a font tag like this font. So inside this, in order to apply the size, color, font names, so you can use the different properties. Under these fonts, we are having a different properties. So the first property is face. Face is nothing but a font name. If you want to write any fonts names, you can write it here. So the second one is a color, color, color. So if you want to write like this red. So if you want to apply any sizes, so 1 or 2 or 3, like this, you can apply the sizes, right? And the next one is hyperlinks tag. Hyperlinks tag known as anchor tag. Hyperlinks tag known as anchor tag. A denoted with A. So for this, we are having some properties as href. Href. That means where you have to pass target page URL. Where you have to pass target page URL. Or simply you can say that website. Right? So second one is a target where you have to open this. So if you go to here, when I go in this mail, so when I click on this, if you click on this particular hyperlink, so it is opening in a separate tab, right? So this is the target URL opening in a separate tab. Okay. So like this. So target. So target tab where I need to open in a separate blank page or in a separate new page or in the same page, self page, right? Like this. So like this, let me create with all these things. Let me create the same mail with all these features. Okay. Quickly go to this one, edit HTML version. Okay. Now come here. So now I need to make a contact dot first name, last name into a bold, right? Some bold, like in the bold format. How to apply the bold formats here? So this one, bold. Okay. And with bold. Okay. And here apply the break tag, BR. Okay. Apply the break tag, copy and paste it. Okay. We have a new contact break tag again. And here are the contact details break tag again. Here also break tag. And here also break tag. Two break tags and one and at the end. Okay. So now click here. Click here to log in into the Salesforce. Right? For this, click here. I need to add the link. So how I need to add the link here? Right? So I need to use the anchor tag here. So anchor tag A. So inside this, you need to use the properties. Right? What is the properties? href. Href is the property equals to. So what is the link here? You have to write. So http colon. Okay. www.login.salesforce.com. Okay. So where I have to open this target. This is the second property. Target. Target where I have to open in a subret blank. So underscore blank. Okay. So this is the okay. Close this. And for which for which letters I need, when I click on this, I need to open this login.salesforce.com. That means when I click on this, click here, right? I need to open this. So you need to write which button name. So button name should be here. Click here. This is the button name. So when I click on this button name, login.salesforce.com should open and tag blank in a separate blank tab. So anchor open tag is completed, right? Now close this anchor tag. That's it. Okay. Click here. So with this click here, when I with the it will look like a button. When I click on this button, it will log into the login.salesforce.com. Okay. So bold I have covered. So here also I am applying the bold tag and as well as italic tag. Bold and italic. Okay. Open and here close. Bold close and italic close. Okay. Bold and italic close. And one more is if I want to apply any like font colors or font changes. Okay, let me add here. So for example, if I want to apply the fonts for this. So let me add here font. Font is the tag name. Okay, where the property is a face. Face is the property. So with the face, I'm going to add the font name. What is the font name? Let it be some Vardhana. Okay, with the size as size equals to some 2. Okay, with the size equals to 2 and the color as COLO or color as some blue color. Okay, now close this. So open tag is completed. Okay, now close this tag where I need to close here. Here I need to close this font. That's it. Okay. Now check whether all whatever I have created, whether it is in a correct conditions or not. Okay. Now click on save this, save button, correct format or not. See how the previous email looks, how the previous body, HTML body looks, now how the body looks. Right? So log into the Salesforce, here one break tag should be there. Come down, log into the Salesforce, here one break tag. Copy, paste it. Okay. Now save it. Save the preview. Now go to here. See, now it come down. So dear so and so person, we have new contact record created. So see here, this is the bold and italic I have applied here. Here I have applied in a different format, different color. A different format, different color. Okay, send a test. Let me check how this comes. So this okay, send email preview to this person. Now go to this. Let me check here. See, alert, new contact Dhanaraj A created. So dear Dhanaraj, this is in the bold color. So we have a new contact record created. So first name as then the bold and italic. And this is different format. This is in a different format. Okay. So now click here to log into the Salesforce. Different format and different color here. So now when I click on this hyperlink, see in a separate window, login.salesforce.com is coming. Okay. So if you apply a different, so let me add one more link here. So instead of this, let me add google.com something. Or let me use the same hyperlink. Copy this. Go to my image. Okay. Edit HTML version. Now, instead of this, let me add this link. Okay. Now click on save. Okay. Now go to preview. Select the contact Dhanaraj. Send email preview to this person. Okay. Now go here. See, new contact is okay. Some click here to log into the Salesforce. Click on this. Now you got it right. It will redirecting to my particular Salesforce page. See Medicare application, whatever page is there. Now you got it right like this in a separate window. The hyperlinks, if you want to apply the hyperlinks without using letterhead, in the letterhead directly the options will be there. Directly from the Salesforce, the options will be there. You can use those options. But without using letterhead means you need to learn the HTML tags. So by use of HTML tags, you can make the body content of the body some look and feel as attractive. Right? You can change the colors. You can use the hyperlinks. You can change the fonts. All these things. You can use the HTML tags. Okay, this is about the classic versions. So what about the lightning versions? So if you go here, so click on switch to lightning experience. Quickly, I will show you. So how the new email templates will be created. Okay. So let me go to here setup. Go to setup. So check for the lightning email templates. Email templates. Okay. Email templates. See lightning email templates. Click on this. See, folders and enhanced sharing. So let this be true. Okay. I'm checking it as a true on. So let the users create, edit and delete email template folders. Okay. So now the lightning email templates is I have updated it to on. So now click on this 9 dots. See here 9 dots is there, right? So under this 9 dots, email templates. So all the email templates will be stored under the email template folder. So this is the one object, right? This is one, all the email templates will be stored in email template object. So click on this email templates. See here, this is the lightning email template. So if you want to create a new folder, yes, you can create, right? All email templates, public email templates, private email templates. So if I am going to create a new email template here, so SF email template or welcome HM, okay, template. Save it. Okay. So under this, I'm going to create a new email template. So let me add a new email template. Let's say welcome email template, welcome email. Okay. Some related entity with the account type or anything, account or contact, anything you can add. Let me add contact here. So select a folder. So which folder? So all for HM email template folder, my personal folder I'm going to create. So if you want to add any subject, see, so if you want to add any content here, so the same content, whatever you have seen previously. So I'm going to add this content. If you want to add merge fields also, yes, you can add, right? Let this be the copy, paste it. This is the body. Okay. If you want to update it to background color, all these things you want to change, yes, you can change, right? This is the normal template I'm going to create. If you want to add the hyperlinks, you can add. Just now we have seen all these things. Okay. So in the black color. Okay. If you want to add any images, sizes, fonts, So this is the source. Like if you want to update this source, yes, you can update. Okay, or else click on back. Sorry, new email template. Welcome email. Go to this contact. Select a folder. Okay. Subject as the same subject I am keeping. Copy. Okay. So if you want to use like whatever the content is there, if you want to use this content, the same content if you want to paste, you can paste it here. Okay. If you want to add any hyperlinks, you can add the hyperlinks as well. I'm copying the content here. Copy, paste it here. Okay. So like this. So now if you want to add any hyperlinks, see here hyperlinks. So if you for this, just go to one. The same in the letterhead, whatever the content is there, the same by default Salesforce is giving these options to you. So for this, insert the hyperlink, right? URL title, the same. You can use this and I'm going to use the same link, the copy, paste it here. So URL title as register now, copy, paste it here, save it. Okay, see here register now. When I click on this, it will automatically redirect to that particular page. Okay. If you want to add any images also, yes, you can add any images, all these things. If you want to change the fonts, see previously it is default. Some if you want to update this particular fonts, yes, you can update to some different font size. Okay, update the font sizes as well. Okay, if you want to add any merge fields, you can add here the merge fields. So in the lightning, the merge field concepts comes like this in the 3 flavor brackets. Let me save this and I will show you. Review the errors here. Element. Okay. Let me add here. Register now. Okay. Let me copy this. Paste it. Save it. Okay. So when you click on this, it will automatically redirect to that particular page. Okay. Now click on save button. You see here. So now if I want to add any merge fields, right? If you click on this edit button, see here, here you can use the merge fields like 3 flavor brackets, contact object name. In the lightning version, you have to use like this. So in the classic, 1 flower bracket, exclamatory symbol, object name dot field name. Here in the lightning, you have to use 3 flower brackets, object name dot first name, object name dot field name. Okay, space contact dot last. Like this, we are going to use. Save it. Now my email template is ready, right? Now my email template is ready. So in order to test this email template, whether it is working or not. So see here in the top, you are having a plus icon. So click on this global actions. Inside this global actions, you are having this email button. So click on this email button. See here, this is the default email from this lightning experience. If I want to test whether my template is working or not. So here I need to insert whatever the email template which I have created. I need to insert this email template. So as of now, the subject is empty, the body is empty. Now I am going to insert an template from here. See here, insert a template. So I am going to add my template, search the template for, let me add my template, HM template. So lightning templates. Select a template for contact. Here contact and leads are there. Okay, let me remove this. So in the related entity type, click on this contact, save it. Now let me add from here, insert the template. Okay, where is my template here? HM template. See, welcome email. Click on this, insert it. See, now the subject is there, my content is there. So here, so to whom I need to send. So let me add here instead of contact, I'm using account. So here, the merge fields, I'm going to use account.name directly. Hi, account.name. So see, related to which account. So already some account details are to. So if you want to send to which one, so all these objects will be appear to you. So now here I am going to add this Raj. So related to Raj account. Now click on send button. That's it. Email was sent. Okay. Now go back. Just see here. See, join now so and so. So see, this is the merge field. Hi. So hi Raj. This is the merge field. And this is the URL link. When you click on this URL link, see here, it will redirect to the some other pages, website page. Okay, this is how the lightning email templates work and classic email template works. Okay, so keep on practicing all these things. So if you are having any doubts at any point of time, so mention in the comment section. So keep following this channel for the latest updates. Thank you guys.